What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Tecno POVA 5 Pro, a budget mid-range device, I should say an affordable gaming smartphone which goes toe-to-toe with many other flagship devices. Well, before we go through the review process, we will go through the unboxing, but before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes in a similar box like Tecno POVA 5. Yeah, I like this design. This is a prism-shaped box, very nice packaging. Tecno has already printed the key specifications at the rear part of the box like 5000 mAh battery, 68-watt ultra-fast charger, Dimensity 6080, 5G SoC, 6.78-inch FHD Plus display panel, 120Hz refresh rate, 50-megapixel AI camera. Yeah, the specifications are very promising. Let's see what we have got inside the box. After opening the box, the first thing we will get is the smartphone. It's really an attractive smartphone. Beside the smartphone, there is a SIM ejector tool. Well, this is a very nice touch because the first thing we want to use with a smartphone is the SIM ejector tool. Underneath the smartphone, Tecno has provided a lot of things. Okay, there is a warranty card, a user manual, and they have also provided a TPU silicon protective case. Underneath all these, there is a 68-watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a set of headphones with 3.5mm jack. That means Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a 3.5mm port. Well, here comes our Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Wow, this one looks really cool. It doesn't even feel like a budget mid-range smartphone. This time Tecno has chosen this Mecha 3D look, but they have turned it into something special with a transparent design. This is truly unique. There are 4 LED strips on the back, 3 of those are connected together, and that makes something like a triangular pattern around the rear camera block. This spatial design makes the phone look futuristic. In addition, there is also a coil-style design in the middle of the back panel. The 4th LED light is located in the center of this design. All the LED lights comes with 9 colors and offers a great visual experience. Okay, Tecno has printed their logo at the back of the phone. This is subtle, nothing loud. You won't even notice it if you don't check carefully. Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel AI camera at the rear panel. Compared to many other smartphones, this camera bump is nothing. This is truly flat. Also, the button placement of Tecno POVA 5 Pro is pretty accurate. All the buttons are placed on the correct position. Once it is held in hand, the buttons are actually within the reach of the fingers. The power button and volume rockers are all on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is mounted into the power button. On the left side, there is only a dual SIM hybrid SIM tray. We can use either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card with a TF card to expand the storage option. At the bottom of the phone, there is a 3.5mm port, a microphone, a USB-C port, and a primary speaker. On top, there is nothing but a secondary speaker. Yes, even if this is a budget smartphone, Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a proper dual speaker stereo setup. Okay, let's quickly check the specifications of Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Tecno POVA 5 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch IPS LCD display panel with 1080 by 2460 resolution. I think Tecno has used the most premium quality LCD panel for this Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Even if this is a LCD panel, the color reproduction is also super accurate. Black is truly dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. Tecno POVA 5 Pro supports 120Hz refresh rate and also supports 240Hz touch sampling rate. 120Hz refresh rate offers buttery smooth scrolling. 240Hz touch sampling rate offers a very smooth in-game experience. Well, considering the price tag, Tecno POVA 5 Pro's display panel has truly outperformed the other smartphones. I have already mentioned Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a dual speaker stereo setup, and yeah, this is certified by Hi-Res Audio. So this one can deliver crisp and clear audio quality without any distortion even at full volume. I have enjoyed watching movies and playing games on this Tecno POVA 5 Pro because this one not only has a very good display panel but also the stereo speaker setup performs like a beast. Let's listen to some music and then you decide how good is the performance.
You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. 'Cause
Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel AI camera at the rear panel. And just like POVA 5, the camera performance of POVA 5 Pro is really amazing. I've taken some photos and recorded some videos with this Tecno POVA 5 Pro side by side with Infinix GT 10 Pro. You know what? I'm super surprised by the performance of Tecno POVA 5 Pro. It has clearly outperformed Infinix GT 10 Pro.
if we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up. We're too great to be landed. Rise up. We're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better took those risks, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise.
Well, there is another thing. Tecno POVA 5 Pro also comes with a front flash, and yeah, there is a feature called film inside this stock camera application which really works as it was intended. We can make our own vlog or we can record some short films using the stock camera application. Kudos to Tecno. Tecno POVA 5 Pro is powered by a very capable SoC, Dimensity 6080. Dimensity 6080 comes with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, so altogether this is good for gaming. I need to mention Dimensity 6080 is a newly launched SoC which supports 5G. This SoC is built on 6nm process and features 2 Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2 GHz. When it comes to gaming, Dimensity 6080 is far better than its competitors. Moreover, Tecno POVA 5 Pro is also equipped with 2820mm square vapor chamber and 12,979mm square heat dissipation area. This helps to keep the Dimensity 6080 at least 2 to 3 degrees Celsius cooler during heavy gaming. I think even if Tecno POVA 5 Pro is a budget mid-range smartphone, this one offers a very good in-game experience. As this one doesn't generate a lot of heat, this one never gets heated, and yeah, gaming is much more enjoyable because Tecno has developed their own game space. Inside the game space, we can do a lot of things, we can customize some settings, we can select a lot of features. There is a game mode option and Tecno calls it Panther Engine, which optimizes CPU and GPU performance automatically to improve in-game experience. I have been playing games on this Tecno POVA 5 Pro for the past couple of days and I've never felt like I'm missing something or anything. Even I have played Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, Real Racing 3 and many other graphics intensive games without any issues. So let me be very clear, Tecno POVA 5 Pro is a very capable device, so this one offers a very good in-game experience. I should mention it again, this is an affordable gaming smartphone, so for regular users, you will enjoy playing games on this Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery together with a 68 watt ultra charger. I think this is a massive battery for real life using. Even if you play games for hours after hours, you will find it very difficult to drain the battery of Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Because Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with an energy efficient SoC Dimensity 6080. I have managed to squeeze up to 8 hours and 30 minutes on a very busy day, which has really shocked me. Because I have played games, I have used social media, I have taken a lot of pictures, recorded videos, made a lot of phone calls, and I have also used 5G aggressively. So 8.5 hours on a very busy day? Kudos to Tecno. Also, when the battery is drained, it's very easy to refuel the battery because Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a 68-watt charger and that charger takes only 15 minutes to refuel 50% of the battery. I mean from 0 to 50% within 15 minutes. The second 50%, I mean from 51 to 100%, takes around 30 to 32 minutes. So altogether, Tecno POVA 5 Pro takes around 46 minutes to get fully charged. Well, if you are a gamer, then there is an interesting option available. Tecno POVA 5 Pro also comes with a very nice feature called bypass charging. That means when the phone is connected to the original charger during gaming, the power supply will bypass the battery to power the phone directly. So the battery will not get charged, the battery will generate no heat, the phone will stay cold, it will offer enhanced gaming performance, also will help to have an extended battery life. One more time, kudos to Tecno. All the Tecno smartphones runs on HiOS, same as Tecno POVA 5. Tecno POVA 5 Pro also runs on HiOS 13 on top of Android 13. It's great that a budget mid-range smartphone is coming with the latest Android and equipped with its own skin, which is very close to stock Android. I think there is nothing to be worried about Android updates as Tecno always offers updates for a few years. As usual, this phone also comes with RAM expansion option available and we can expand the RAM up to 8GB if we need. So altogether we will have access to 16GB of RAM. Moreover, we have a set of special functions. As I mentioned earlier, this one comes with LED strips at the back. We can set up the backlight effect for incoming calls, receiving notifications, startup and playing music. The light will also lit up when we are playing games. Yeah, I have already mentioned this. Tecno POVA 5 Pro comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is actually integrated into the power button and it is very easy to register a fingerprint. Once a fingerprint is registered, it works very fast. Amazing. Also, this one works without any hiccups or lags. It works pretty fine. Okay, there is a 2D face unlock option available for you. You can use the 2D face unlock option to unlock the phone. The face unlock option also works very fast. Okay, finally, let's talk about DRM. I'm really very happy to see that a budget mid-range smartphone, Tecno POVA 5 Pro, comes with Widevine L1 certification. That means we can enjoy our HD streaming on any of our preferred streaming service. Okay, if you wanna use banking applications on your smartphone, then you have to check this, Safety Net. Look at this, wow, Tecno POVA 5 Pro has passed Safety Net test, so yeah, we can use banking applications on Tecno POVA 5 Pro without being worried. Well, that's all about this Tecno POVA 5 Pro. I'm in love with this smartphone. Not only me, Thea is also in love with this smartphone. So we have been using two different Tecno POVA 5 Pro at the same time and we both are super satisfied. What about you? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas about this Tecno POVA 5 Pro in the comment section. I'm gonna give away a Tecno POVA 5 and a Tecno POVA 5 Pro to two of my lucky subscribers. What you have to do to join the giveaway is to make a comment in the comment section and let us know which part of Tecno POVA 5 Pro you like and what you don't like. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.